So I had no intentions of going out. I had a lot to take care of here in the eBay room. I need to do some listings and some postings. But today was the final day of two estate sales. Both of them ran by the same company down here in South Texas. It's called River's Edge Estate Sales. The guy that runs it, his name's Andrew. He's a really nice guy. If you ever in South Texas or if you live down here or anything, make sure you go to his estate sales, and like I said, he does a really good job. So let me show you a couple of the things that I picked up. Oh, this is what I got. And don't mind the prices because today, like I said, was the half off day. So the prices on there are incorrect, and I'll try to tell you what I paid for them. The first thing I got was this Waterford Crystal 12 Days of Christmas. It's 9 ladies dancing ornament, 9th edition, 2003. It had an original retail price of $45. They had it marked at $10, and I got it for, I believe, $4. I paid it. The comps on that are selling anywhere from $12 to $20 on the same Waterford Crystal on different ones like that. So I picked it up, give it a shot. Most of these are going to be some bread and butters. This here is a fine European glass Christmas ornaments. You can see there's a, looks like a hippo, a zebra, a lion, and an elephant. Let's see, there was some original prices. I guess it was marked down from $25 and $19 and $9. Anyway, they had it marked at $4. I paid $2. Ones on like this for the comps on eBay were selling about $15 plus shipping. I picked up the Xbox One Just Dance 2015. I picked it up just because it was there. It requires the Kinect system. This is not worth very much, but it was the only one sitting there. I didn't want to feel like it was a lone stranger sitting there, so I picked it up. I paid about $1 for it, and it's probably only worth about $5, so that's okay. I'll get to that here in a little bit. The one that's marked $40, you can see, well, I'll tell you a little bit now. It's called Gem Refractometer, but I'll get to that. This right here is the New King James Version Study Bible. It doesn't appear to, the pages don't appear to be creased or open. The book still is pretty new. The cover's in good condition. And back here, there's a little scratch mark right there. Original price was $39.99, and this one even comes with the Study Bible CD-ROM. So I don't know what I'm gonna list that for. I haven't looked at the comps, but I'm sure that's gonna do pretty good. So that was real good. All right, now I'll get to this. The Gem Refractometer, durable CZ testing table. Anyway, if some people that test gems, jewelers, different things like that, they probably know what it is. I didn't pay $40. I paid $20 for it. It's still new. Everything's still wrapped up. There's the refractometer, some liquid that goes with it, the cables, silicone gel, and there's a set of keys to lock it up. Anyway, I'm going to do a little bit more research on this, but the ones I could see, this one says model FGR002A. I didn't look up that model number, but I saw ones like this selling anywhere from $50 to $200. So depending on that model number, that might be a really good buy for me. So hopefully that's good. This right here is a Thomas black patent leather purse. It says $8. I paid $4 for it. It's got some light minor scuffing on there, nothing too too tragic. It's got good color in the handle and the handle and on the straps. And on the inside, it does have the, what do I call it, Thomas? It's called Theodore. I'm sorry, Theodore black patent leather purse. But it's Theodore of California. There's a little bit of marks, so I know it's been used. It's like a little, what I call rough marks. You can see it. But it's in excellent condition. The zipper works. Everything is good there. For the age that it is, it's probably around 1950s. So it's got good color. Like I said, just slight little mark that you could see in that patent leather. But overall, good condition for 1950s. I saw one selling like that, selling. See, it's even got the original tag on it right here, $49.99. And but I saw them selling comps like that. I saw them selling for about $25 to $30. So that's gonna be good. The last thing I got was not this, but the last thing I got was this old pile of 78s and 145. This one is Chicago, Just You and Me. This old set of show tunes was almost the end of the sale. Andrew did a good deal for me. He let me have them all for $10. And I'll tell you, let me move some of this stuff out of the way a little bit. I'll show you which ones I got. This one here, show tunes of Sigmund Romberg. It's Columbia Records. It's Al Goodman and his orchestra. There he is. There you go. That's really good set. They usually sell $15, $20 plus the shipping. This one is a program of radio favorites sung by James Melton. I haven't looked that up. I don't know, so I can't tell you, but I'm thinking $10 plus free shipping. But again, I haven't looked it up. $10 to $20 for free shipping. The Ink Spots, very good. Decca Records. This one right here, this was what caught my eye. This album right here will sell for $25, $30, $20 on the low end plus the shipping. Dick Haymes. This is his souvenir album. I didn't look this one up, but I'm thinking this one probably get about $15 plus the shipping. Good old classic, Bing Crosby, Jerome Kern. It's a combination. Decca Records is another, like I said, Decca Records was good back then. Very popular. Bing Crosby, is very popular. I'm thinking from comps what I looked at, I'm looking at probably about $16 plus the shipping. This one's another good one. It's the Smoke Rings. Tommy Dorsey, Duke Ellington, Sammy Kaye, Freddie Martin, Glenn Miller, Artie Shaw, Larry Clinton, Benny Goodman, some great band people back in the day. It's got all the records are all complete. Every one of these books is complete. The records were in really good condition. The covers, of course, they've been around, but they've been really, really good. And then the last thing is a bunch of singles, these 78s and the singles. See over there, originally they had them marked at $20. I got all this for $10. Andrew was really good to me. So, but this has a variety of different artists in these books. So what I'm going to do is probably just lot the book and sell the book, and try to get maybe $30 a book. So it's got some good ones. Mills Brothers. Is that James Melton again? Oh, I couldn't see that one. Let's see. Guy Lombardi, Bing Crosby. Again, there's some good ones. Same thing in this one. It's a bunch of singles. Glenn Miller. It's like I said, it's got some good ones in there. Can't see them all, but anyway, a lot of them, the RCA Victor and Decca Records again. So like I said, for everything here I paid what I paid $10 for the records, $20, that's 30, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. And this was $2 for this Bible, so $43. So $43, and I should probably get at least probably $100 for the records, plus the shipping, the buyer paying the shipping. And I'm looking, again, I don't know, I haven't looked this up, but I don't know what I'm going to sell the Bible for. But like I said, I'm looking, depending on what this guy does right here, this Jim Refractor. But I'm looking at maybe another $100 to $150. So $43, $200, $250. Let's say $200 even. That would be a good day. So anyway, so that's what I did at the estate sales that I had no intention of going to. I still have to clean up a lot more of this piles, and my piles are growing. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the listings. My things are selling, but if I don't have things listed, they're not going to sell anymore. So I appreciate you watching the video. Like I said, I had no intentions of going anywhere today. If you're new to my channel, I try to go to estate sales, flea markets, garage sales. I source for items to resell on eBay. I'm a reseller, been doing it for over 20 years. Been on eBay for about 8 years, and off and on. And so I try to make a little extra money for me and my wife. We're both retired, but retirement only goes so far. So as you can see, just remember, there's treasures everywhere. Find it, sell it, profit. Thank y'all, and have a great day.